Hey, what's up guys? I'm Grenignacio and welcome to my channel. Today we will make moist, super yummy blueberry muffin. Here are the ingredients, so let's get started. Preheat your oven to 200 degrees Celsius or 300 degrees Fahrenheit. In a large bowl, whisk flour, baking powder, baking soda, sugar, and salt. In a separate bowl, whisk buttermilk, melted butter, oil, eggs, and vanilla. Make a well in the flour bowl. Pour in egg mixture. Mix until just combine. Try not to stir more than 8 times. Some flour lumps in the batter is fine. Stir through most of the blueberries. Reserve some for toppings. For the muffin liner, I make my own muffin sheet. Cut your baking paper or baking sheet into 4 by 5 inches. Fold the sides into 2 and using scissors, cut the line going through the center, but do not cut all the way through. Place the baking sheet into the muffin cups. If you are using cupcake pan, you can use directly without muffin cups. Using spoon or ice cream scooper, divide butter between paper cases. In this batch, I make 10 large blueberry muffin. Top with remaining blueberries. Then bake for 20 minutes or follow the instruction on the screen. You can sprinkle with icing sugar for garnish and to add some extra flavor. Serve with hot coffee and enjoy. If you love this video, please hit the like button and subscribe, and see you on my next video. Thank you for watching.